the safety rules and basically the new things that Big is going to be able to be practicing oversight with on the fleets. How does that interact with their ability to be registered with the city and or lose their registration essentially, to do this work? If you go into detail on that.
Sure. So the Big Safety Bill from 2019 actually gives us the authority to take the issues into consideration when deciding on whether a company should take a license or registration with it if they're a new company, or they're required to renew every 2 years. So we also review their safety records and other compliance-related issues to see if their license or registration should be renewed. So with these new safety rules, we have a lot more specific requirements in terms of various types of equipment that they need on certain trucks, or the fact that they have to provide annual safety training or defense training courses for drivers, and of course have the relevant record keeping that shows compliance with those requirements. So in evaluating somebody's eligibility for license or renewal, we definitely will be taking those factors into consideration, seeing a company's safety record dipping into a lot of accidents, if they have specific safety training or plans in place that really seek to improve safety within their companies, and whether they're really complying with their safety requirements. That's all going to be taken into consideration and can definitely have an effect on their eligibility in the future.
Thank you. Let's see, any questions from the floor? I have a couple more that I can go out there if somebody has them.
Actually, can I ask a question for Eric?
Go for it.
I'm just very curious, Eric, have you ever thinking of analyzing the free speeding alert problem data with still speeding camera data together? Because I mean, just listen to the Kaizel. Currently on that, then they're also running to taking a look into the speeding data for that.
We could into evaluations of the field compare that to speeding alerts. Data there is to say, are we seeing the same decrease? Now, obviously, telematics is the entire city and it's all the time, so that should give us a better view than say just the violations. But obviously, the violations are just what the cameras are. Now, what we did see previously with the violations was that we did see an increase at the original point where the cameras were still first out there, which made sense. Then over time, it started to come back down, and then again with the next wave. What we're seeing now is a bit of a plateau, and I don't know if that's a combination of the EMT rollout being a now standardized number per month, or whether it's because people are driving safer overall, which would be reflected in our telematics numbers. But it certainly would be interesting to try to, a lot of that's just anecdotal, and since I've seen it across the board, kind of would be interesting to try to play all these into one graph for one chart. And that's something that I appreciate you bringing up.
Awesome, thank you.
Another question for Eric. So you were showing in one of your slides that the safety alerts per mile driven really spiked during the beginning of COVID, right, March, April, and returned to normal. And of course, this resembles a lot of other trends we saw. But I was just curious, was it really that the alerts themselves went up as a runner, or really just that the miles driven went down, or both?
Well, the alerts did not go up necessarily. There was such a disparity between miles driven going down and the alerts staying pretty close to the same, or not dropping the same dramatic number that the miles driven dropped. So that's what we saw. So we saw, we didn't see like go from 5 per month to 50 per month. We might have go from 5 to 4, or say 5, but instead of us driving 4,000 miles in that particular month, we drove about 1,000,000 miles, right? So we lost 75% of our mileage, but the most 25% of our speed.
Yeah. And I think that's what resembles some of their data around the pandemic, where overall miles driven might drop, but perhaps the people that are speeding, doing other things, kind of remained on the road, and so those numbers didn't change that much. Certainly went up for transfer. Other things just kind of remained constant, where you would expect them to drop. But really,
I wonder if part of it had to do with people who are risk averse or not, right? So if people are risk averse, they're staying at home during COVID, and they're not eating their normally on the road. As opposed to people who are risk takers who are like, well, COVID's out, but I'm still going to be out there. I'm going to still be doing my thing, and I see.
Yeah, I think that there's definitely something to that. With the sea fleet, I think maybe it's a slightly different idea, but yeah, I think definitely something.
Yeah, the city definitely was a combination of being less vehicles on the road, and a lot of people having other things on mind. Plus, you have to remember we put everything into that number. So, PLC enforcement, sheriff's office enforcement, some of the agencies that are doing different things during the COVID period that aren't their typical assignments. So it is possible that some of that factored in as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Any other questions? All right, well, I actually have a couple for Jannie. So yes, let's see. To two questions. One, we did a bunch of research with Columbia a few years ago, trying to get into our telematics data, doing hard picking, hard acceleration, and speed. And seeing the speed we were able to use in a number of ways. But what we were trying to see with predicting hard acceleration was connection to injury outcomes on like a card or web basis. And we didn't actually get that far into it. We weren't able to detect too many real predictive patterns from it. But I did notice that it's one of the things that you mentioned in there, and I wonder if you've been able to use that data in a more successful way.
So this is really a great question, I would say. And after we did a lot of efforts on like examining those survey measures, and Harvard is definitely one of it. But I think one of the potential reasons which may actually regarding what you're saying, like you didn't find maybe like higher correlation between these. First of all, is crash record data really, really limited. It really depends on which area you're looking to, which time period you're looking to. What we are doing with New York City is fortunately, New York City has actually pretty good crash data within, say, with routes. Although it's the first one area to area. And there's also supplemented information that can be grabbed from the New York State crash database. So we're trying to combine all of them, and also we're not using just 1 year of data, we're using multi-year of data, so we can increase actually the sample size of the crash reports, as long as there's no like major around in the area that may have some impact on it. That's one thing I think we definitely tried, and it actually worked well, at least with the two connected vehicle. Actually, the Flatbush, which is a real area, and also we tested another one in New Jersey, because New Jersey actually have more extensive crash data, crash records, that is open source. The other thing is heartbreaking. As you see from this message, the other message, heartbreaking only depends on a single vehicle. However, there are actually other safety targeting measures which are more depending on vehicle interactions with pair of vehicles, and that might also limit, this correlation, coefficient, or I would say like a relationship between the crash records with the heartbreaking. So I maybe one suggestion I would say is maybe try. Heartbreaking is definitely the easiest one to use. It has pros and cons. The cons probably is, as you said, it might be a bit hard to correlate, but it also has the pros that you don't need a vehicle pair. And this is a simple method. It is always very fast in terms of computation time, and it's more suitable for real-time applications.
Right. Yeah. Do you see any? So a lot of work vehicle pilots is messaging, taking the alerts, etc. Do you see, a future where the messages are actually more connected to vehicle control, rather than just messaging? Of course, you have to work with the onboard safety systems, but ideally, you want to tell someone don't run this red light. The ultimate thing would be to stop the car from running the red light. And that'd be probably scary to a lot of people, but it's an interesting idea. I don't know. We're going to talk to our.
Right, so I might not have a perfect answer, at least for the connected vehicle part of those messages, and that sometimes they can be more disruptive. I would say when you have a message, one driver, and they can make their own decisions. Just try to let the group of people here know that actually the New York City connected vehicle pilot, we just transitioned into, from the silent period into the active period 2.0. So we still don't really have enough data to see if these learning messages are really changing people's behavior or not. But we're gonna know this soon. Probably within 2 more weeks, we'll have enough sample size to take a look at what is there, how people respond to it, how the data responds to it as well. But for we're just saying how to utilize the message into maybe automated vehicles, but try to not let the driver decide, like human drivers to decide on the things, let the vehicle algorithm, building algorithm decide on that. That's actually related to the last slide that I was talking about, this USDOT efforts on Karma. I'm not sure if any of the audience here knows about Karma, but this is the super great platform that's initiated by FHWA, that they actually have open source platform that building these like messages which can be used for vehicle operation. And they actually have some real fleets, also a fleet that they already started to run some of the small pilots on the highway to see it on the automotive trucks, using learning, and see if utilizing the rhythm type of message will help actually decide on automating the vehicle drivers, and also automating behavior, and also like minimize the gap, improve mobility, and also safety.
Yeah, and I'll follow up a little bit on that. I mean, part of the group is Jingqin rolling out B2B vehicles, and I think a couple of things we want to keep in mind here is, it's an interesting thought, Rob, about whether or not you can have a vehicle slow down or stop when it comes to a red light using that system. One of the things that we're also looking at on cities with vehicles is intelligent speed assist, like they have over in Europe, where it actually beats the miles per hour of the roadway, and it either prevents you from going a certain amount of speed limit, or it makes it more difficult, or it has a system that warns people more. One thing that about connected vehicle technology, about the roadside units, we think that the messaging, either the beeping or the verbal warnings or whatever we end up with, are all going to be great tools. However, one of the things that we're going to have to challenge ourselves in the future on is what technologies do each of the car manufacturers have in their own system, and whether or not a Chevrolet is going to be able to talk to a Ford, is going to be able to talk to a Nissan. Because if they're relying on connected vehicle technology to increase safety, which is a good thing, and they're all connected, but they're connected not to each other, but only across vehicle makes and models, that obviously is going to be a challenge. And then the other challenge is, under previous administration, the FCC decided to open up P50 to other things such as entertainment and shopping, which is a major problem for connected vehicle technology because while ban had been reserved for many years and wasn't getting necessarily the use that we were hoping, we are now 3 cities on the verge of actually technology, and we're hoping that the FCC and the Biden administration change course and decides to key. I'm not going to ban for because obviously as we prove this technology out for us to be competing for bandwidth with entertainment and with shopping, we can have a whole conversation about why we should have entertainment and shopping fees in vehicles as a separate matter. But from city standpoint, we'll have to remove from this.
Right, this has to really show the question was of the New York is really not just scientists New York is trying to write letters to them and see if there's a better solution for them. And I'm pretty at this point, we are probably the one who will be largely impacted by new FCC rules if it's going online. So.
I would actually like to swing unorthodox here and direct the question to a non-panelist. Jessica Chiquino, are you there? I see her name.
I am.
Hi. I just not to put you on the spot, but I know I just did some really great testing of pedestrian detection for crash avoidance with vehicles, and I don't know, we're on the topic. I wonder if you have any thoughts on that off the top of your head.
Yeah, so we're seeing more vehicles with pedestrian detection, there's testing for about pedestrian and hopefully break the vehicle for you to keep it from happening altogether. And we had a lot of comments when we're looking forward to seeing implementing our vehicles. There are certain conditions where maybe right now it doesn't work as well. So, for example, at night, it might not work as well since a lot of the systems are camera based. But we're seeing a company kind of with some of the AED that most vehicles going to have, that do have now, and starting in 2022, pretty much all people will buy one have AED, and maybe they're not most going to have it for pedestrians as well. So it's really exciting.
Hi, I have to a little bit. Sorry.
Sure.
A couple things. One, are we working towards making sure that some of these pedestrian avoidance systems are being part of the ratings for vehicles, just like some other things? And the second part of that is, how much work can we do, how much work can we do to try and convince car manufacturers not for people to get most rapid before we get the higher end safe patch?
So that's a really good question. The first one is almost like we're setting up to talk about what I actually started doing because at this point, the able you have pedestrian AED vehicles, so I'm convincing you you're not taking that. And I think that one thing that is talking about maybe all vehicles are going to have pedestrian AED, especially given the agreement that they agree to in 10 years ago at this point, is the ways we're starting to see some of these challenges early on past for vehicles. So I think if we had either more regulation of requiring all vehicles to have these kinds of technologies, especially for so we're really going to see some of this stuff filter out towards everybody starting, not just these kinds of packages. But I think that pedestrian AED is one of those things that is filtered out more quickly than other things because it's often packaged with regular AED.
I don't want to share the information about the national detection because there's a lot about detection using the vehicle. Vehicle detection also exploring new detectors at certain locations with the pulse element, which has signals pulse. Then we have this failure detectors that detect pedestrian on the crosswalk or across the street, and that may eliminate the challenges of not car manufacturing because for the least also the technology using probably similar technology for that. But there might be something close to also improve the system for pedestrian across the street.
Yeah, that would be sort of ideal future would be either installed at fixed locations, talking to the vehicles and having like telemetry information, detection and the vehicles are good. So you feel about 3 more minutes, 4 minutes before we head back into the area. Any other questions on the